How to log in to Menards Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in into Menards Credit Card. So let's get started. First step, search for Menards Credit Card login on your web browser. So let's do that, and here we're gonna get the Capital One login. So you can simply tap on this, and after you tap on this, it will take you to another website. So while it does that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So right here, after you're on this section, simply tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you'll be redirected to the sign in section. So there we go. It's taking some time depending on your internet speed, so you can just wait for a while. So with the Menards credit card, you can start making purchase on Menards, and yeah, that's basically it. Now after this loads, you should see a username section where you can type in your username, then finally your password, then tap on the sign in button to sign in, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.